Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. If you wonder why I did that, it's because I lean on it and I can't move my head. Okay, so hi guys, how are you? I have some yarn to show you, and this is the second delivery of my yarn. The first one I filmed in a different way because I was waiting for the postman and I wanted to be able to pause it, and I get if I pause this one, then I have to download them or put them on my computer somehow and then edit them together. So I don't really want to do that. But I've had a few problems with my computer lately. It's not my computer, well, it's a conflict between software, which never used to happen. So it did cause me a bit of a headache. I managed to get around it. But, you know, I've had enough of that. So I just wanted to be able to make the video. So yeah, I did it. So I was looking at the yarn only and not me. So it's better to look at the yarn anyway. So that's cool. But this time I'm sitting here and I'm going to show it to you and show you a few other things as well. Now the other yarn that arrived, they didn't deliver everything. So maybe tomorrow I will have another package. If not tomorrow, then Thursday. But they were also, they needed to kind of replace something for me. So I'm going to get another one, and that will be a little bit later. So I've got some more yarn coming from them. But all of this, I believe, I haven't checked to see if I've got everything I've ordered yet. That I put the delivery note behind me ready for uploading. I did start uploading some onto my computer from the previous order, but I had the postman come then, so I knew I couldn't get stuck into anything because I was waiting for the postman. So, and he was late, very, very late. So all my videos are late. That's why I did the other one the way I did, because I knew he could just arrive at any minute. But this stuff, wow, I've got some new yarn, I've got some restocky yarn, and I've got some different brand yarn. So I was getting very, very low on the paint box. So this is my Robin paint box yarn, and this one, where's the glasses? I'm going to need that. Is the primary colours one, and they don't give you names. I put them myself, I think. PBX17, and it's all of the kind of primary colours, and it's gorgeous. I love this one. It's great for blankets, especially if you're doing blankets for kids, whether that be making blankets for your family, or for, you know, for selling, or for something like the Boggy Creek thing. So yeah, great colours for that. And it's lovely and soft. It's 100% acrylic, DK weight, and it's a good size strand. That's the one thing I really like about it. The strands are very, very good size. I'm just looming up on you there. So obviously the colours are a little bit more vibrant than you're maybe seeing. Let's have a look at the top of my head for a second. Maybe I've got a little bit too much sunshine coming into the room. Probably. So it is more of a pop colour. I love this one. I really do. So I've got restock of that one. I had zero stock of this, so I've restocked the pastel. This one is just all of the gorgeous sort of lilacs and pinks and yellows. Really, really very peachy as well. I've got some peachy colours. This one is, I think, 09. PBX09. So I've restocked that one, and this one is PBX08. Now I had lots of PBX23, which is very similar to this, apart from those colours there are missing. It's more vibrant in the oranges, but I had lots of that. I made sure I got lots of that last time, so I didn't need to restock. So any that you're not seeing, if they're your favourite ones and you're not seeing them, I had plenty of stock of them, with the exception of one which kind of got low after I'd ordered it. So that was a bit annoying anyway. But this is PBX08. So it's pastel, but a little bit more vibrant than the other one. And you can see it's got these. This one reminds me of the Boho Spirit in the Sunburst. Oh, I can't remember the name of it now. But I think it's something like Sunburst. But it's beautiful. And this one reminds me of that a lot. Only a lot a lot cheaper. All of these yarns you can find at hobbyrocks.co.uk, and there is a link in the description box to that shop, and there is also a voucher code in the description box. Now these look identical, but they're not. So I'll put this one down. Yarn boobies, guys, I nearly forgot. So this one went out of stock, and this is my favourite one of them anyway. PBX 20. I don't know about you, but when I hold the yarn, I always go, that's my favourite one. And then I get another one, I think that's my favourite one. But this one actually is. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. All those colours, those kind of mauves and hot pinks, and oh, I just love this one, and I'd gone out of stock of that as well. So this one is very similar, but without the yellow. And this one is, there's either bag down there if you wonder where I'm putting them. PBX 21. So very similar, but it's just the greens, the blues with that violet bit that comes in, and the kind of hot pink. It's almost like a purpley pink though. So the last one that I got of these, but by no means the last I have. I mean, I've got loads of colours in this. This one is PBX 19. I'd been out of stock of this one as well, and this has got all of the gorgeous colours in as well. They're all very similar, but they're all very different in the same vein, if you know what I mean. They just have different gorgeous colour combinations, but this one is another one of my favourites. I think this is the one that really worked up well when I did the swatches. So yeah, I've swatched that up. I did them all as grannies so you could see how they all performed, and if I can remember, I'll put a link when all the videos come in at the end. So, and I needed to get more stock of this because I've had a bit of a run on this one lately, and it had gone out, and I love this yarn. It is Stylecraft, and I know that one was not, but I've got some Stylecraft yarn as well here. This is Impressions Aran. So it's an Aran weight, 4-weight yarn. It is the softest. I cannot tell you how soft this yarn is. It is 30-degree wash. You can cool, tumble dry, and you can cool iron it, and it's called End of Summer. I love these colours in this one. It's one of my absolute favourites. Just gorgeous. End of Summer. And yeah, so squishy. It's ridiculously. And that is a little swatch there. Obviously it's a knitted swatch, but you can see all those colours that are in this ball that you can't necessarily see with the naked eye. I've got one more of the Impressions, and I think this is a new one on me. This is called Boating Lake. Boating Lake's a lot more vibrant, isn't it? It's a little more, well, got some beautiful colours in it. Where's the swatch? There it is. It just gives you an idea of the colours that are in there. It doesn't necessarily mean that what you make is going to look like that, because it depends on the size. But yeah, this is 5405 Boating Lake. I've been wanting to get this one for a long time. I love that kind of heathered and marbled effect in this one. So I've got a couple now, a lot of different ones, but very nice. Now this is a new yarn, and I wanted to see what this is like. It is called Soft Baby Easy Stripes DK by Stylecraft, and here it is. Yarn boobies, yarn boobies. I loved this one especially. I only got one colour because I wanted to see what it was like. I don't like to jump straight in and get lots and lots of yarn. This is called Opal 5373. The colour is Opal. There are all the gorgeous colours in there, and again it's got that heathered marbled kind of look to it. Now many of the yarns have got these blues with those yellows, and it's no exception, but these ones are more banana yellow, if you know what I mean. Some of them are kind of lemony, but this one, it's got lemon as well, lemony and banana-y. It's also got some pinks going on there and the purples. It's just beautiful. I love it, I really do. So let me tell you about this one. 50% premium acrylic and 50% polyamide, so squishy soft. It's a DK, 4mm hooks and needles, 294 meters, 321 yards, and a DK. 100 grams. But it's a different kind of, almost like a cake, isn't it? 100 grams. Lovely. I really, really like that one. So I thought I'd give it a go. Now, these are new for me. And again, they're Stylecraft. And this is For the Love of Stripes. I wanted to give this a go for quite some time. But I didn't... The beauty of this place is I can get some King Cole. Sorry, no, I can't. I can get some Stylecraft. And I can get my nice Robin paint box. And I can also get some Wendy if I want it, but they don't have many varieties, and a few others that they can get. So that's the beauty of this place. So if I wanted to give a little yarn of Stylecraft a try, I haven't got to do a massive Stylecraft order. So I thought I would pad it out by getting a few that I haven't seen yet. Now this is called Strawberry Daiquiri. They seem to be having a run on strawberry yarns, because the yarn I did earlier for the other delivery I had one called Strawberry something in that. Strawberry Picking, I think it was. So this is 100% premium acrylic, and it's a chunky yarn. So a bulky 5 across the pond. If I ever say chunky, you'll know that that's a bulky 5. Aran is a 4 weight and DK a 3. So this is a bulky 5 for you guys across the pond. There are all the colours in the swatching. There, I don't like the swatches they do, like the knitted swatches. They don't really show it in its kind of glory. It's naturally anti-pilling, this yarn as well, which is brilliant. 1967 Strawberry Daiquiri. Did I tell you all the things? 144 meters, 157 yards, 30-degree wash, and you can tumble dry it, and you can iron it and dry clean it. What are they saying? 6mm knitting needles and hook. I love this one. Look at all those colours. They are really vibrant, aren't they? I like that one a lot. So is this the same? Did I bring that to show? No. They look similar until you hold them together, and then they're not. Different yarn boobies. So this is Strawberry Daiquiri. These are named after drinks. This is a Shirley Temple. So this Shirley Temple is number 1964, 1964. There we go. A lot more yellows and vibrant colours in this one. I like this one. I like the fact that it's got these teal colours, and, well, you might want to call it turquoise or teal. Both work. But it's a little bit different to the previous one. So that is a Shirley Temple. That would be what I would drink, because a Shirley Temple's alcohol free. Okay, now this one is completely gorgeous. It's all the turquoises and teals and lilacs that you can imagine, and darker purples, and that purple that's almost pink. It's called Purple Rain. And I used to make an absolutely mean Purple Rain cocktail. There is a recipe for my Purple Rain cocktail. I've got a feeling it's on my channel, Rocksteady. But Gary loves that. It used to go down very well with everybody, in fact, Purple Rain, back in the day when I used to do cocktail nights. So Purple Rain is 1965. That's when Gary was born. So now you know how old Gary is. 144 meters, as I said, 157 yards, and it's beautiful. I love the Purple Rain. Beautiful, beautiful. So then I got these. Now you've seen these before, I'm sure. Any scissors? No. They are all, I'm gonna have to break the box open. Doesn't matter, I'm going to empty them into a drawer, which is, well, just put the box in the drawer, to be honest with you, but it doesn't matter. Here we have the John James Pebble, and I love these. I coveted these for quite some time when I was a consumer rather than a seller, and I really, really wanted to get my hands on this little pack. And then I finally managed to find a place where I could get them for wholesale and have them in my shop. So I've got several of them. You know why I've got several of them? Because I mislay them. but you know, now they're in every single box I have. So that's the John James Pebbles. And then I've got a couple of patterns. So they are actually to do with that baby stripes. I wanted to get a couple of patterns for them, and they are crochet patterns. And we have a little sweater and a tank top. They've overexposed the picture a little bit, but it's well cute, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? So it's hard to see it with it being lemon on a white background, but I like the little tank top. And then I got this, which you've got the little pink cardigan, which you can see there. And then there's this one, and that's the one that I really wanted. I just thought that was such a cute little cardigan. And there we go. It's beautiful, isn't it? They are different, so there's 2 patterns on each one. I only got those 2, but I wanted to kind of get an idea of what these patterns would be like for that yarn. So that is what I got this time. It will take me a little bit of time to get all of the yarns that are new put on my website. The restocks are easy. I just add the number. But for new stuff, I have to go in, I have to get a picture downloaded from their website, and Stylecraft have their own, and each one has different ways. So I have to get the pictures and I have to resize them and put them in, make sure that the colours are dead on, and then upload them and do all the description. So it does take a little bit of time with a brand new yarn from scratch or something like that. And patterns as well. As I say, restocks are easy because I've already done it once before. But it will take me a little bit of time because I've got 2 orders to get through. And I'll still have some coming as well. But I'll get there. Anyway, let me know which ones you like. Which ones you think are the nicest. What would you make with it? And I know, as I say, it will take me a little while, but they'll be up. I say that, and then I always get it done fairly quick because, you know, once I get stuck in, I get it on. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Now, this is Tuesday for me. I don't know what day I'm putting this on, but Tuesday is the day that part 2 of my crochet along will pop up, and it is I'm doing a summer picnic blanket crochet along. In the description box of all of the 2 that have been up so far, I've got 2 number 1s, right and left-handed, 2 number 2s, part 2s, and inside you'll see the measurements and how wide you need to make it for a family of 4, for a family of whatever, and 2 people. So yeah, it's kind of a very easy going crochet along where you decide how wide you want to do yours. You decide on the colours you choose and everything else. I'm just making it out of cotton yarns, and I actually did order some more today from another place, not to sell but to buy. I've been buying cotton yarns on my yarn quests, and I had some in my shop as well, of the Stylecraft ones and a few others that I've been using. So I do have a variety of colours already, but there were some that I saw and there was a special offer going. So I decided, and I had a voucher. So I decided to get some more, and I'll show you that when it arrives. So thanks for watching. If you haven't found my crochet along already, I'll try and link it at the end as well. And I will see you guys on the next one. Also, before I go, don't forget the number 8, week 8 of my granny squares did pop up at the weekend. If you were out and about and you didn't see it, I'll link that as well at the end. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you soon.